Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you my SCT October Sampler. This is a spectacular subscription. I live in Canada, and this comes to me delivered to my mailbox for $13 a month. Shipping is all included in that. The theme for this month is fall, and it'll tell us on the back here the collections are Cozy Days from Simple Stories and Pumpkin Spice from Doodle Bug. So I will start off with, well, let's start off with the stamp set. So there's a Hero Art stamp set and die. So this is like a banner set with letters. That's super useful, and would, yeah, be really nice to make things with. I'm really enjoying using dies at the moment. I'm not sure which section to begin. So we've got ephemera over here. All kinds of neat things. So here's the acrylic word piece. This is made specifically and exclusively by SCT, which is Scrapbook and Cards Today magazine. So I guess we'll go this way. We've got the Cozy Days thickers here. Cute little pumpkins, sweater weather. That's fun. And then a frame chipboard piece, a whole set of stickers, like an entire sheet. These are gorgeous. Really like those. But you know what's very interesting? Actually, oh my gosh, look at this. I have these, oh no, I used them. I was going to say, there's a fox missing here. This is crepe paper, and the fox from this collection is identical to this. Like, that's the guy that goes there. That's really interesting that they have the identical character. I wish I had it still on my my clips here. I used it already. But anyways, this is really cute. These 2x2 cut aparts, and then the different patterned papers. So this is a really nice print. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty, so cute. I really like them. This is going to be fun to create with. So many beautiful fall colors and patterns. And what is this? Oh, that's some really nice 3x4 cut aparts. And then there's all kinds of ephemera here. I think they're all mixed together, so let's see if we can figure out. Okay, these are definitely ephemera from the Simple Stories collection. This would be there too. That. So I think that these were moving into Doodle Bug down here. So that all goes together. Very nice. I love this little pumpkin ticket. So then you've got the cute factor. Oh, that looks like that belongs there. Of Doodle Bug. Like, Doodle Bug just has the cutest. Look at the little pumpkin spice. This So Blessed could go probably with that. These are adorable. Doodle Bug makes the cutest collection. Anytime you see something that is super cute, it's probably from Doodle Bug. And I can't believe they gave us a Doodle Pop. Look at how many pieces there are in this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 little pieces in my Doodle Pop. That's fun. Everyone got a different one of those, so that was a cute one to get. I mean, they were all really cute, so that's good. And then here's the papers from Doodle Bugs. The little leaves have faces on them, and then the little cups have faces. That is just like darling. There are flowers and owls. Really pretty. Oh, nice. Some strips, some border strips, and then some really nice plaid papers, and then some wood grains in those really fun sort of colors that match this collection. So that is everything that came in my sampler. I'm really happy with this. Every month it's a different surprise, and it's pretty exciting to have this package show up in your mailbox. This says thinking of you, and then there's just this sparkly set there too. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. So the first thing that I made with the sampler are these really cute butterfly boxes, and I'm just going to show you here the really great thing about this die. This is from the In Love Art Shop, and it fits exactly over a 6x6 piece of paper, and it's ideal because if you use a 6x6 paper pad, it's not usually double-sided, so it's fantastic that this is double-sided. So we've got both sides of those, and then I just used my butterfly die, and let's see if I've got it. Here it is here, the butterfly die. This came from Scrapbook Cottage, and I just layered up a cute patterned paper with some vellum, and then one of the more solid colored papers, and then I put some little chocolates in there, and they turned out really, really cute. So another thing that I made are these really cute little Halloween treat boxes, and it's very simple. All I did was take one of the 6x6 pieces of paper, and I realized after the fact that if I cut them close enough together, I could actually get 2 out of one 6x6. So you can see, like on this one here, this is the sheet that I cut to get this with this die here. This is from In Love Art Shop, and I really love this little box that it makes. It comes together super cute. But in order to get 2 on this one piece of paper, you really need to like go right to the edge. So it's like I could barely, I could probably sneak another little one in there like this. It would cut some of that off, but that gets glued in mostly anyways, so it's all good. But anyways, you can see here how cute this little treat box comes together. I can leave the link for this die down in the description box below, but I'll show you all the really cute little boxes that I made, and you can see the patterns on the inside. So nice working with these 6x6 double-sided papers, because then you have that pattern on both sides, so it's really fun when you open it up. So that was a cute size for the little milk carton. I really wanted these little cups and drinks to stand out, so I put the little fruit there. This is like a little pumpkin, and here's another one here where I layered up a couple of little leaves and hearts and stuff, and that's what this one looks like. So that was lots of fun, and I'm actually putting it together in this little Halloween box. So you saw this little treat butterfly box that I made. I've got some little alcohol-filled chocolates in there, a little Halloween chocolate. Here's some shaker pockets that I made in a previous video, and this is the the little treats that are going to go on top. So thank you so much for watching. I'll leave the link below for the sampler as well if you're interested, and we'll see you again next time.